a really quick short video. I wanted to show you how to make unicorn cream. I think it looks pretty and you can use it for any decorative cakes, cupcakes, hot chocolate, anything that you think is gonna add a bit more unicorn twist to it. And I think it's so pretty. I absolutely love the colors, and I don't think unicorn ever goes out of trend, right? Oh, it does it? Let me know in comments down below. Yeah, let's get started. Place your heavy or double cream into a large pot, and then you want to whisk this until you get nice soft peaks. Don't overmix the mixture, it should be nice and smooth. Then I'm going to separate my mixture into 3 different bowls, and I'm adding around 2 tablespoons of each. Add your red food coloring and mix everything together until it's nice and pink. You can also use pink food coloring if you have. So the mixture will look just like this. We're going to do the same with our purple color. I'm adding pink food coloring together with purple, and it kind of gives it a much brighter color. So mix everything together until you get the desired color of your choice. It will look just like that, and we're going to set this aside. Now I'm adding blue food coloring and mixing everything together, and you get this bright blue, sort of baby blue color. We're going to set this aside. Now take a tall glass, place your piping bag over and scoop your cream inside. You're going to need 3 piping bags and then seal them together and repeat the process with all the colors. So I'm using small piping bags for all these colors. And then once you have all your beautiful colors, you want to cut off the ends, and then we're going to place this into a larger piping bag. You want to kind of place all of them together and squash them, and I've also attached sort of a beautiful piping nozzle there to pipe the cream with, but you can use any nozzle that you have, and it should look like this with 3 different colors. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at AllasYummyFood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click through, click on the picture, and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. So there you go, guys. When you pipe it, I try to do different techniques of piping so you can really see how it looks, and I think it looks fantastic. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you subscribe to my channel and make this unicorn cream.